Welcome to today's class. So today we'll be designing this particular church flyer design. So let me hide this. Now let's start. The first thing we are to do is to change our background color. So we'll come to this edge here, click on color, click on plus. I'll be making use of the number 2323. So I'll just click on this pencil here. Then while I typed, 232323, and this is no 232323. So this is the color I want to make use of. Then just follow me closely. Let's have our text. You can find the fonts I'll be using for this particular design under the description. You can find it under the description. So I think we should make use of how many percent. Let's look at size 90. Okay, I think 90 is okay. The relative position, then we'll position it good. So we have it at the center. We'll come here, we lock. The next thing we need here is to bring out our theme. Go to font, then we select our theme, making use of this particular font. In order to give space for the theme, we'll go to padding. Look at where I press padding, then give space a little bit so that we can have a clear picture of the font. Click on size, then we can decide to reduce this size theme. Okay, then just come here by positioning it. So that is the theme. I just decide to increase it a little bit. I'm okay with 20. Lock. What next? Can we duplicate this? Copy. We have present. Just come to your relative position, then centralize, then to your position to move it. Okay. Now I need to import some logos. Okay, good. So Can we just make adjustment to this once and for all before proceeding to the next stage? You can make use of your ruler to have a balanced settings. Actually, I need this at the front. Okay, let me just go to front. Good. That was too much of our time. Okay, let's think. I change the. I want to move these two together. Good. Now, what next? We have our text. I'm sorry. Let me just off my data. Then we come over here to change the font. So I'll be making use of this as usual. Then come to the size, reduce the size a little bit. This is exactly what I need. I'll surely position this by having a good position. Then what next? Let's lock this. Then let's come to this place. Then click on our shape. I need to have a small shape. A small shape. A small shape. Then the color we used before. Where is it? Okay. Plus I need to construct another font. Sorry, color. 001A49. So this is the color I'll be making use of. Okay, I think we have to change. Let's change this color. Maybe we should just make use of white. Okay, good. I have what I'm looking for now. Then we have our present. Then another text. Let's just copy this. Copy. So I'm going to increase this particular size. Let's just make use of 30. Then I'm going to centralize this. then move it to the front. And I would love to change this particular text, this particular font. Let's see what we have. So let me just use the bold, the real bold. Good. Good. We are getting there. Then we need another shape. Then come here to pick another shape. Click on our color. Okay, good. Then we'll come to this place. Drag it down. Let me edit it again. Edit. I want to increase the radius. Good. Then we'll come to relative position. Then we'll position it. Good. Okay. We are getting there. So what next? Can I check the image becoming like him? Now, where's the text for like for the team or presents? Let's copy this. So can we change this font size? Let's increase it. Okay, let's make it 90. Is it too big? I think it's too big. Oh. Let's make it 60. Now, the word becoming. So let me just copy this combined. We want to have in. So graphics is all about creativity. Can just be walking around on this thing and just be doing rubbish, but at the long run, you will have your own concepts. Just be playing around it, thinking on what to do. So this font, I'm going to change this font. I'm going to be making use of this. Good. Just a concept anyway. Then let's position this so that we can have the same thing. Okay, hold on. I think there is a space in here. Let's go to spacing and let's space the word. Let's use 5. Good. I think I'm okay with this. Then let's align. We need alignment is very, very important in graphics. Very, very, very important. And I see this important. I really mean that. Very, very important. Can we align these two? The process of aligning. Okay. Can we now have our graphics again? Good. Now let's move this thing becoming like him. Let's move it up a little bit. So what we are going to do, click on this place, then pick this thing together with the like and him. Then click on this. Then let's move it. Okay. I think it's kind of okay like this. Let me import our image. Okay. For the sake of this design, this is the graphics we'll be using. But let's go back to crop. Then let's select one. So this is what we want to make use of. This one here. Then adjust. Then what next? We drag. Think I'm not that satisfied. Let's go to crop. Mm, yeah, let's make use of this. I'm sorry. Just make use of this one. Okay, don't make use of this. Then where we reposition it. Just follow me closely. There is something I want to do here. It's very important. Good. Now, to back. Good. What next? Let's log this. Now, if you notice, there is a space at the bottom of the graphics. And if you notice that even the color I use blend with the background that I'm using right now. That is, I have to use that particular color at the beginning. Though you can also pick the color from this flyer, that black color that I use, that 232323. Now, there's something wrong with our becoming before I blend the background stuff. Let's go to our padding. Where is the padding of it? Our padding. I believe you can all see what I'm doing right now. Okay, so let's reposition this back to where it is. Okay, so now follow me closely. Come to shape. We have a target, and our target is to cover this particular thing. So how are we going to cover it, and how are we going to fade it? That is what I'm going to be teaching right now. Come down here, click on this color, click on stroke. You see, click on stroke. Highlight it. The color for the stroke is this. Then click on this radius to the last position. Then click on opacity, reduce it. Then close this a little bit. So as a matter of fact, I'll be changing this color to this black. Good. So we are trying on closing this place. Then click on OK. You copy again. Till you cover this place. Good. Is there another thing to be done? Becoming like him, we actually have a color. And for this, I'll be making use of particular this particular color, and that is FF09 FF0908 FF 0908. Oh, I think there's a mistake somewhere. ZFF 09 or C9. Let's try C9. Okay, it is C9. So this is the color. Then you come to this, you duplicate this and copy. Sorry, I will not be able to finish this thing here because we don't have much time. So this particular thing is for the address. It's for the address. When we have another shape for the time. So I'm trying to save time. So I'm trying to save our data. So let's just centralize this. So this is for the date. Why this is for the time? So I just believe these are those things that we can achieve from our own end. So that is the end of the design. Let me just remove this. That is the end. Just put the remaining information from your end. So this is what we have been trying to design. So the only thing needed here is the address, the time, and the date, and that is all. That is all. I have one thing to do here. It's just very short. Come back to the image, then go to opacity, then reduce this opacity. We are going to be making use of 60. Good. So that is the last thing to do. Thank you.